Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn your alarm clock on and off on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your clock app, like that. Make sure you're on the alarm tab, and to turn it off, simply toggle your alarms off like that. And to re-enable them, just turn them back on, toggle them back on. And if you want to set a new alarm in here, click on the plus icon and you can scroll up and down for what time you want. So I'm going to do 8 o'clock every day. So to have this alarm to be played 8 AM every day, just simply tap on all these days here like so. And now you can change your alarm sound like by clicking into it. Click on ringtone to change the alarm tone. I'm going to use Jam Jam. There we go. Now it's selected. Click back. You can change your alarm volume down below here like so. I'm going to keep it max. And then all you need to do is simply click on save. And there you go, that alarm has been created. To delete an alarm on your phone, click and hold on an alarm like that. Make sure it's got the tick next to it. Click on delete, and that alarm is now deleted too. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.